Setting up Deel for your remote team is a game changer when it comes to simplifying global payroll, compliance, and contracts. Whether you're an HR manager or a business owner trying to scale with remote workers, this quick Deel guide will walk you through the essentials to get your team up and running in no time. Stick around until the end because we have an exclusive extended free trial to Deel that you won't want to miss. When you first log into Deel, you'll be greeted by a straightforward, easy-to-navigate dashboard. Deel's platform is designed to help you manage global teams by automating and streamlining the complex aspects of hiring internationally. You'll notice right away that it's not just about payments, it's about managing the entire lifecycle of a remote team member, from onboarding to contracts and payments. First, let's talk about setting up your company. In Deel, head to the Settings tab and select Company Profile. Here, you'll enter details about your company, like your name, legal structure, and business address. Once that's done, you're ready to start adding employees or contractors to your team. To add a team member, simply click on New Contract and fill out the necessary details about the employee, including their role, salary, payment frequency, and contract duration. Deel offers you the flexibility to hire full-time employees or contractors so you can cater to a wide range of team needs. One of the most useful features of Deel is its ability to automate payroll, so you can pay your team in their preferred currencies, whether it's USD, EUR, or even crypto. To set this up, go to the Payroll tab and add your preferred payment methods, such as bank transfer, PayPal, or Deel's own platform. Once your payment options are configured, Deel will automatically take care of calculating tax rates and deductions based on your team member's location. This is a huge time saver, especially if you have employees across different countries. Next, let's dive into compliance. Deel is built with legal compliance in mind, which means you don't have to worry about country-specific laws or tax regulations when hiring globally. Deel provides pre-built templates for contracts, covering everything from employment terms to local labor laws. All you need to do is choose the country, and Deel will automatically generate a compliant contract tailored to that jurisdiction. After sending out contracts for signature, Deel will handle the entire e-signing process. It's quick, secure, and legally binding. You'll receive notifications when contracts are signed, and all your contracts are stored in one place for easy access. Once your team is set up, Deel also provides a detailed overview of each team member's pay schedule, taxes, and any benefits they're eligible for. This makes it easy to keep track of everyone's compensation and ensure that everything is compliant. Now, let's talk about managing payments. Deel allows you to automate invoicing, making it simple for contractors and employees to submit their work hours or invoices. You can set up automatic payments based on invoicing schedules or have them paid manually, whichever fits your needs. Deel also integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and others to ensure that your books are always in order. This integration helps streamline financial reporting and ensures your accounting department has all the info they need to stay on top of everything. To wrap up, Deel makes hiring, managing, and paying remote teams effortless. Whether you're a growing startup or a large enterprise, Deel simplifies international payroll, contracts, and compliance. And the best part? You can use Deel for free from the first link below, where you'll also get an exclusive extended trial that's not available anywhere else. If you're serious about scaling your remote team with ease, make sure to check out Deel through our link and take full advantage of that extended trial.